There's a very high chance everything I'm recording via camera and microphone will not even be recorded, and I'm just gonna have to film this video all over again because that's the struggle bus I've been on. So today, welcome to my channel. Where have I been? I've been living my best life. I think my goal for all these years has been, if I start posting on YouTube, I'm not going to care about numbers, views, and likes. And every time I come back, that was a damn lie. I was still in a space of not strong enough mentally where I could just forget about the numbers. It really still bothered me. So that's how I knew I needed more time off. What matters is just putting good content out there because I love it and I want to share it with you guys. Let's stop talking and just jump into this. So first things first, I'm gonna start off with my brows and I'm gonna use this. Yeah! This is all I've been waiting for, is for it to zoom. Come on, zoom. I want to use this Urban Decay palette called Detour from On the Run collection. These colors are amazing. Mainly this one, it just stuck out to me. And then their little picture here, I just want to try to create this. So let's see what we got. I'm gonna use the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Lotion. Let's pray I still know how to put eyeshadow on. Okay, I'm gonna do one eye off camera and then we're gonna do the other eye together with this color Escape as my first transition shade and then build it up with Confidential. Don't neglect the lower lash line. This feels so funny. And this next step, I'm gonna take my favorite color, Plunge. Press this onto the eyelid. If you need to, spray some water on your brush because then it'll make this color a little bit deeper. Precise angle brush. I'm gonna take this MAC 283, soften the edges so it has a more blended look. Now I kind of look like I got punched in the eye. I want to do my tear duct, and for that I'm gonna take Champagne Pop Blast from the Past by Becca. The next thing I want to do is apply my lash. This is what I swear by. I love this lash glue. It's bulletproof. It works really, really well. I just like this. I feel like I go back to it always, no matter what glue I end up using. Next step, mascara. This eyeliner is from Greece. It's the only eyeliner that I can wear that will not make my eyes water. And there you have it. I have this whole box of Bobbi Brown stuff that I have just been looking at. So today I want to just explore this box and see what we have in here. Vitamin enriched face base. I used to use this like nobody's business. I love it as a primer and it smells really good. This is the worst idea ever. My doctor told me to get filler right here. And I swear, it's like the worst thing I've ever done. Ever. I want my money back. Yeah, I think that after this experience is when I decided I am not touching my face until I'm probably 60. Like what? It's creating these lines and it's like, I could feel it. Do you see? It's this right here. I used to never have this. I want it gone. I'm not gonna dissolve it because that is horrible, horrible pain. This probably will last for 2 years. Great. Half my youth. By the time it's done, I'll really need some. This is the Skin Longwear Weightless Foundation, Full Coverage, Oil-Free Shine Control. I don't believe that, but we will try it. Yallllll. I'm not really sure how this is gonna turn out. Not sure at all. I'm gonna go in with the Bobbi Brown bronzing powder in Stone Street. Let's dust this off. We'll go in with the Boxum. This is called Mykonos. One of my favorite places. Okay. Ooh, this smells delightful. Might be a little bright. I look like Chucky's wife, but that's fine. For my highlighter, I'm gonna use Pink Glow from Bobbi Brown. This is the highlighting powder. Not really sure what color to do for my lips, so I think I'm just gonna try this out right here. Luxe Liquid Lip High Shine, and this is color Barely Nude 2. Okay. This is a very, very cool consistency. It comes on like gloss, but then finishes like matte. Okay, I just messed this whole thing up. Clearly, I have not been in front of a camera applying my makeup in a very long time. Well, I just found these, so hopefully one of them will save us. Ooh. This is the color Naked Cream. This works. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. It took me only like a million years to figure out this setup again. My poor neighbor, Patty, shout out to you if you're watching. Literally every night she'd come over, I would do this all, take it all down, have breakthroughs, and it still wasn't working. So we'll see what happens. But I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and tell everybody that you know. Actually, I have a task for you. Just copy the link of this video and send it to 2 friends. 2 friends or 2 relatives, whatever. And that's it. I hope I will see you next time. Bye-bye.